Hey everyone! Have you ever been hanging out with a friend in Norway and needed to split the bill? Chances are, they whipped out their phone and said, "Let me just Vips you." But have you ever stopped to wonder, how exactly does this popular app make money? Vips has become a verb in Norway, synonymous with sending money between friends instantly. It's a mobile payment app that's taken the country by storm, boasting over 3 million users. That's roughly 75% of the eligible population. But with such a focus on convenience, you might be curious, how does Vips turn a profit? Transaction fees, a small cut for a big service. The primary way Vips makes money is through transaction fees. Now, this isn't a flat fee for every transaction. Here's the breakdown. Free transfers, for payments under 5,000 Norwegian kroner, NOK, which is roughly around $500, there are no fees at all. This keeps everyday transactions between friends and family smooth and frictionless. Larger transfers, for transactions exceeding 5,000 Norwegian kroner, Vips charges a small fee of 1% to the sender. So, if you're sending your roommate 10,000 Norwegian kroner for rent, you'd pay a fee of 100 Norwegian kroner. This fee structure makes sense. It keeps small, everyday transactions free, encouraging widespread use of the app. For larger transfers, the fee is minimal, but still generates revenue for Vips. Beyond simple transfers, expanding the revenue stream. While transaction fees are the main source of income, Vips is constantly innovating to expand its reach and create new revenue streams. Here are a few ways they're doing this. In-store payments, Vips is moving beyond person-to-person transactions and venturing into the world of in-store payments. By integrating with QR code technology, users can now pay for things directly at shops and businesses using the Vips app. This opens a whole new avenue for revenue generation, as Vips can potentially charge merchants a fee for processing these payments. Bill payments, another area of growth, is bill payments. Vips allows users to conveniently pay their bills for utilities, subscriptions, and other services directly through the app. This can potentially lead to partnerships with bill providers, who might pay Vips a commission for facilitating these transactions. Value-added services, the future might hold even more possibilities. Imagine being able to buy event tickets, top up your phone credit, or even make micro-investments through the Vips app. These value-added services could bring in additional revenue through transaction fees or partnerships with service providers. The future of Vips, a cashless Nordic giant. By focusing on user convenience and constantly innovating, Vips is well on its way to becoming the dominant force in cashless payments across Norway, and potentially beyond. Their focus on a freemium model for everyday transactions ensures widespread adoption, while strategic partnerships and the introduction of new features create a sustainable revenue stream. So, the next time you hear someone say, "Let me just Vips you," remember, it's not just a convenient way to send money. It's also a business model that's revolutionizing the way people pay in Norway. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.